working on widening in both the southbound and northbound lanes of I-5 between Pacific Avenue and SR-16. We're getting ready to pave the southbound widening, and we've just started paving the northbound widening. These widenings will ultimately make room for a realignment of northbound I-5, which will allow us room to construct HOV lanes in the current median of northbound. In this area right now, we're constructing a new bridge for northbound I-5 that will accommodate the realignment of I-5. We're also constructing a new Pacific Avenue bridge. We've constructed 5 out of the 6 new piers to support the bridge. Moving into this spring, we will erect girders and construct a new bridge deck. We hope to open it late spring, early summer of this year.
What you're seeing is the continuation of constructing HOV lanes in Pierce County and Tacoma. This project is the Portland Avenue to Port of Tacoma Road project, which constructs a new northbound bridge over the Neal River. The alignment will take off on the Tacoma side around Portland Avenue, across the river on the new structure, and hook back into existing I-5 on the 5 side around Port of Tacoma Road. A lot of steel going up right now. We're constructing drill shafts, we're constructing columns, we're constructing cross beams for the new bridge, and shortly we'll be seeing girders being set on the new cross beams. This project, we're expecting the bulk of the work to finish up in the fall of 2017. However, there is an overlay component on northbound I-5 that will continue into the spring and summer of 2018 to finish off the job.